AT&T Stadium, formerly Cowboys Stadium, is a retractable roof stadium in Arlington, Texas, United States. It serves as the home of the Dallas Cowboys of the National Football League and was completed on May 27, 2009. It is also the home of the Cotton Bowl Classic and the Big 12 Championship game. The facility, owned by the city of Arlington, can also be used for a variety of other activities such as concerts, basketball games, soccer, college and high school football contests, rodeos and motocross and Spartan races. It replaced the partially covered Texas Stadium, which served as the Cowboys' home from 1971 through the 2008 season. The stadium is sometimes referred to as Jerry World after Dallas Cowboys owner Jerry Jones, who originally envisioned it as a large entertainment mecca. The stadium seats 80,000, making it the fourth largest stadium in the NFL by seating capacity. The maximum capacity of the stadium with standing room is 105,000. The record attendance for an NFL regular season game was set in 2009 with a crowd of 105,121. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.